Hey guys, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make and customize your own Memoji on your iPhone, and we're going to show you guys that and much more. But before we go ahead and get started with today's video, if you guys are new to our channel, we do a lot of tech news, reviews, and giveaway, so make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Also, if you guys are in the market for one of these phenomenal devices at a discounted price, make sure you guys check out the links in the description section. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. First thing is you'll want to make sure you're on the latest version of iOS here. So right now, the latest version of iOS at the time of recording is iOS 14. So you want to make sure you're at least on iOS 14. This Memoji will need at least iOS 13 or later to be able to utilize it. So if you have an older version of iOS, you may not actually have this. So once you know you have the latest version on your phone downloaded, we're good to go. We're going to want to open up messages here. Once you open up messages, go ahead and open up one of your messages that you have here, and simply, let's say we want to click on this one. Once you click on that messages here, we're going to pop and open up the text box here. Once you open up a text box, and this will pretty much work for any other app as well, where you pop up the text box. Once you open up the text box, you want to click on that smiley icon on the left hand corner, and you notice in your emojis here, you're going to have a Memoji sticker here where it says create your own. You're going to have some sort of notification here where you're going to hit continue. And once you hit continue, now you can actually go ahead and customize your own by clicking on that. If you click on that, you'll see that it says create your own Memoji, and it will capture your facial expression and do a lot more of that. We're going to want to hit that get started, and once you hit get started, now you can start the creation and the customization part. First thing first, of course, here as you can see, you're going to go with your maybe your skin color here, so go ahead and choose that. You can customize the color based on this filter. As you see here, it goes darker, lighter depending on your skin color here. Maybe we'll go here and then adjust it accordingly to your skin shape. And then you'll notice a hairstyle, right? You can go ahead and select your hairstyle here, whatever hairstyle that you want here. Maybe you want to go ahead and take a look at all the hairstyle available, select that. You also notice here you can do brows, eyes, head, nose, mouth, ear, facial hair, eyewear, headwear, and much more customization. Of course, all of this is all customizable based on your preference of whatever you want here, based on your whatever your preference is for it. So if you're gonna add accessories and much more, hairstyle, as you can see here, we can go back and much more going on here. It's really cool and unique. Once you start playing with it a little bit more, you're able to just go ahead and customize to your degree that you want. As you can see here, we're able to just go ahead and do whatever we want with this, and the customization are unlimited here. There's so many different customization you can do. It's all up to you however you want to take this and work with it. And as you can see here, when I talk here, it's actually making those facial expression. And once you're done with all of this, you're going to go ahead and hit done here, and you'll see all of this going on here, and you're ready to use your own version of that Memoji here. You can also go ahead and edit that if you ever need to edit here by simply clicking on these three dots up here. As you'll notice here, you can edit that and go ahead and create a new one, and keep on doing that till, of course, as much as your heart desires. And now the next step of actually using that Memoji that you have created. So how do you use that Memoji to send an expression or something you want to say? Well, simply you want to go ahead and click that icon next to the App Store one. So that's the Memoji one. You're going to click on that, and as you can see now, we have our facial expression here. You can simply pick any other ones as well. As you can see, there's multiple different characters as well, or create a new one. So once we have this and we like it and we want to record something, we simply want to click that button that's red. That's a record button. So I'll show you guys how that's done. Hello there. Hello there. As you can see here, now this talks, and we can actually send this by simply clicking on that button that's up there, or we can simply trash it if we didn't like that and we want to record a new one. We're going to do a new one here. Hey guys, it's Technomentary here again. And this time we like this one, and we're going to hit that blue button this time, and it will be sending that Memoji customized with your expression to your friends, family, whoever you're sending it to, and they'll be able to get that custom Memoji or any of these animated characters as well. So hopefully this video is helpful for you guys looking to utilize Memoji, create your own Memoji, and have fun with it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.